Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate YouTube TV on LG TV step by step clearly. To activate YouTube TV on your LG TV, start by powering on your television. Ensure that your LG TV is connected to the internet. Navigate to the LG content store on your TV's home screen. In the search bar, type YouTube TV and press enter. Select the YouTube TV app from the search results. Click on the Install button to download and install the app. Once the installation is complete, open the YouTube TV app. You will see a prompt to sign in or activate your account. Select the Sign In option. A unique activation code will be displayed on your screen. Now, grab a computer or mobile device to continue the activation process. Open a web browser and go to tv.youtube.com/activate. Enter the activation code shown on your LG TV into the provided field. Click on the Next button to proceed. If you're not signed into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Sign in with the same Google account linked to your YouTube TV subscription. After signing in, you will receive a confirmation message that your TV is now authorized. Return to your LG TV, and the app should automatically refresh. You can now start enjoying your YouTube TV subscription on your LG TV. If you encounter any issues, try restarting both your TV and the app. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.